2. Here's Crisano. Hand off to Valenzuela. 12 to shoot. Valenzuela's pass was broken up, but there's Alexander with a miss. And they'll call the foul on Ranadale De Ocampo.
A broken play para sa Barangay Ginebra. Good thing for them, yung bola dumiretso sa kamay ni Chris Alexander. Chris Alexander on the free throw line, looking for his first 2 points of the fourth quarter. Nico, para naman sa Air 21. Their backcourt, not something that you would see at crunch time. Pinagsasabay si Egay Billones at si Marvin Cruz. It's probably a way to match up with the quickness of the Fast and the Furious.
Head to shoot para sa Air 21. Marvin Cruz for 3. Air ball. Pero nakuha din ng 21 ang bola. Marvin Cruz is fouled. At penalty na ang Ginebra.